Friend, let's have a discuss of ND Abhyas for chapters Anatomy of Flowering Plants. Test 4. First question. Ectofloic siphonospore is found in Osmunda and Equisetum. For next question. Question number 2. Gymnosperms are also softwood spermatophytes because they lack thick walled tracheids. Option number C. Because cambium phloem fibers xylem are also present. Cambium also found between phloem and xylem. Next question. Question number 3. The xylems of quiescent centers are characterized by the option number B having light cytoplasm and small nuclei. Question number 4. Closed vascular bundles are lack cambium ring. I already about cambium. Cambium should be also present in phloem and xylem. Next question. Question number 5. Tunica corpus theory is connected with shoot apex. Tunica corpus theory are also given by Smith in 1924. Question number 6. What is true about a monocot leaf? Monocot leaf mesophyll not differentiated into phalicite and spongy tissue. Monocot and next monocot leaf is also seen for parallel relation. Question number 7. Which of the following meristms is responsible for the extracellular secondary growth in dichotomy system? Option number D. Phellogen. Question number 8. Loading of phloem is related to increase in the phloem for sugar content. Option number B should be also correct. Question number 9. Pericycle of root produce. Option number B lateral roots. Question number 10. Which of the following statements are also true? Option number D. Tracheids are unicellular with narrow lumen because narrow lumen should be also water flow are faster in rate. Question number 11. Passage cells are with passage cells are thin walled cells because option number D should be also correct endodermis of roots facilitating the rapid transport of water from cortex to pericycles. Question number 12. In cork and secondary cortex are collectively called as periderm because phellum, phellogen and phylloderm are collectively called periderm. Question number 3. In Cranch anatomy, the bundle sheath cells are option number B are correct. Thick walls, no intracellular spaces and large number of chloroplast. Explanation की बात करें. In Cranch anatomy, the bundle sheath cells have a thick wall, no intracellular spaces, and large number of chloroplast. Rubisco is located only within the internalized bundle sheath cells, which is the key enzymes of C3 cycles. Question number 14. What is not true about sclerates? Sclerates are parenchyma cells with thickened lignified walls is not correct, and correct options we are also checked. Option B. These are elongated and flexible with tapered ends. Yes, it is right. It is given directly given in NCRT. NCRT page number 87. And option number C. These are commonly found in the cells of nuts and in the pulp of guava pear. Yes. These are cells also provide supports. Yes. But option number A should be also not correct. Question number 15. Length of the petiole increased due to divisions of intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem should be also present in between two. meristems, and it is a great growth of later. Question number 16. A monocot stem with secondary growth is yucca. It is most important question in NET exam and is a previous year questions. Question number 17. Collenchyma is living and contains protoplasm. Question number 18. Sunken stomata is found in leaves of Nerium. These type of stomata are adapted for the water loss, but plants which grow in xeric habitat like a desert have a sunken type of stomata in their lower epidermis of leaves to minimize the loss of water. Example Nerium. Question number 19. Two cross sections of the stems and root appear simple when viewed by naked eye, but under microscope they can be differentiated by option number D should be also correct. In dark conditions of stems and exhaust condition of roots are appear. Question number 20. In a dicotyledonous stems, this sequence of tissue from the outsides of inside is option number D. Option number C. Phellum, ectoderm, pericycles, and phloem are correct. And I will also explain for this sequence of tissue from the outside to the inside dicotyledonous stem to the first phellum, phellogen, phloderm, cortex, endodermis, pericycles, phloem, xylem, pith. Question number 21. Vascular bundles where the phloem is found to be present on both sides of xylem is said to be. Option number D is also correct. Bicollateral bundles would be also found in herbaceous plant like as cucurbitaceae are found in like as pumpkin. Question number 22. Phloem is a coupled of layers thick made of narrow thin walled and nearly rectangular cells. It cuts off cells on cork both side outside cells are differentiated in cork or phellem, while that inner differentiated into the secondary or the cortex. The three together card are also known as periderm. Option number A are also correct. Question number 22. How many of the meristems are completely secondary in origins? Core cambium of a dicot stem. It is present on monocot stem. Vascular cambium of dicot stems. Yes, core cambium of a dicot stem. Vascular cambium of a dicot root. Third are also correct. Question number 24. In dicot stem, phloem is are of option number C. Cuts off stems on the both side. Question number 25. The transverse sections of plant material shows the following anatomical features under microscope: palisade parenchyma towards adaxial surface and spongy parenchyma towards abaxial surface, conjoined collateral and closed vascular bundles, and xylem is enlarged. Two distinct patches of parenchyma are present above the below. Each of the large vascular bundles are appear in dorsiventral leaf. Question number 26. Transport protein. Transport protein of a layer of root are control points where a point adjusts the quantity and types of the solutes that reach the xylem in this statement term A layer denotes which of the following is also known as option number first should be also correct endodermis of roots. Question number 27. The conducting tissue of the plants are xylem and phloem both. Conductings of water and foods material takes place respectively by xylem and phloem. Question number 28. Meristematic tissue help in the growth of plant. Option number B are also correct. Explanations. Primary and secondary meristem contribute to the growth of plants. Shoot apical meristems and root apical meristems help the plant to grow in length while the lateral meristems help the plant to grow in width. Question number 29. Select the mismatch pair out of the following. Radial vascular bundles, xylem and phloem on different radii. Yes. Bicollateral vascular bundles, phloem present on both sides of xylem. This is also correct. Amphiβasal vascular bundles, phloem surrounded by xylem. This is not correct. Option number D. Conjoint vascular bundles, xylem and phloem on same radii. Yes. The phloem lies in the center and remains completely surrounded by xylem is also known as amphiβasal. Question number 30. A specialized epidermal cells surrounding the guard cells are known as subsidiary cells. Thank you very much for